How to change language in KuCoin application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your interface language setting in the KuCoin application using your smartphone. First things first, launch open the KuCoin app on your device and log into your account. Once you're in the home page of KuCoin, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now once you do that, you'll end up in this expanded menu where you'll need to scroll down and click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Language. In the Language tab, choose the language you want to change to for your interface. Once you choose a language, you'll immediately be able to change the interface language on your KuCoin application. So there you have it. You can repeat this step every time you want to change to your language setting. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.